Hi, I'm Brian from StrengthNU, your fitness and therapy experts. Today I'm going to talk about calf tightness while exercising, training, and/or working out. Calf tightness usually happens over periods of time with lack of stretch before or after your workout. Dehydration can cause muscle tightness and can lead to pain, cramps, and spasms. Now I'm going to show you a few stretches that you can do before or after your training session. The first stretch I'm going to show you is me against the wall. You're going to place your toes upright. Taking a step back, you want to feel that stretch rising up to the top of your calf. Now if you don't feel it, all right, you come closer, come up upright more, place your hands against the wall. You can also put them in different angles. So to your right, center, to your left. The next stretch I'm going to show you is going to be with a foam roller. All right, you can place it just above your calf from here. All right, stabilize one foot on the ground, and you're just going to roll just like you're rolling dough. And you can also go into different angles. Again, from your right, center, to your left. You want to be able to go right up to the end of your calf, right up to the very top. The next final stretch I'm going to show you is me with a dense rubber ball, the lacrosse ball. You can also use a hard, solid ball or anything that's rounded. You can place the same thing right over the calf, all right, and you're just going to roll. Now, if you're not feeling a stretch, what you could also do is place your other leg right over and hold that stretch until you release that pain. Try these 3 stretches to help alleviate calf tightness. However, if you're still feeling pain after 3-4 days of stretching, it may be a sign that you might have something serious. It's best to seek professional help or come visit our therapy team. I'm Brian from StrengthNU, and you're one strategy away from crushing your fitness goal.